I am a leopard. Leopards are big cats.
Where do you live?
We live in Africa and Asia. We love jungles and grasslands.
Why are you up in that tree?
Leopards are great climbers. We watch our prey from trees. We like to keep food in trees too.
Huh? You keep your food in trees?
Yes, it keeps it safe from our enemies. Lions and hyenas try to steal our food.
What do you eat?
We eat deer, birds, and other animals. We can swim, so we also eat fish. Leopards are fast and powerful hunters.
Your dark spots are beautiful.
Our spots blend into the grass and jungle. That helps us hide while we're hunting.
Do you live alone?
Yes, leopards like to be alone. Sometimes we make scratch marks on our trees. That tells other leopards, stay away. I'm ready to climb again. Bye.
Goodbye, leopard.